Once you reach retirement, you're going to have different survivor benefit options to choose for your FRS pension. But what happens if you pass away before you retire? I'm going to cover that today in our short video. So again, at retirement, you're going to have 4 different options to choose for your pension, and that includes many different survivor benefit options, money that can continue on to your loved ones. And if you've got more questions about those 4 pension options, I suggest you check out our other videos that are just about the 4 options under the FRS pension. But I get questions a lot about, well, what happens if I haven't started my pension yet? I haven't elected my pension option. What's going to happen if I pass away? What will my spouse receive, if anything? Some people think that the pension just goes away, but that's not accurate. There are survivor benefits that are automatically built into the FRS pension, even if you haven't started it yet. So let's talk about the different options that your spouse would have. The first, I think, is the least likely option that they would choose, but they can choose to get a refund for whatever you've contributed into the pension during your career. Another option is they can say, hey, I want to go ahead and start getting income now. So I want to start receiving income now, and the state does a calculation and they assume that you, the employee, had elected option 3 on the pension, which is a joint and survivor benefit. So option 3 means it pays you, the employee, an income for life, and then when you have passed away, that income continues on to your spouse for as long as they live, and it's the same income. There's no reduction. So if your spouse elected to take income now, the state's going to calculate that option 3 benefit based on you taking your pension on the day you pass away. So it's really going to be important for your spouse to know what that's going to be, because if you had not reached normal retirement age, then they're going to have a reduction in that benefit. It could be a pretty big reduction too. So that's one option. Then go ahead and start taking income now. The other option is to defer that benefit. It's that same option 3 under the pension plan, but they can defer to taking it later. So they could say, hey, I'm going to wait until normal retirement age, or they could take it anywhere along the way. But again, if they take it before that normal retirement age, they're going to have a reduction. So what's normal retirement age? Well, that's going to depend on when did you start for the state. If you started prior to 2011, then your normal retirement age is age 62 or 30 years of service. If you started after 2011, then your normal retirement age is 65 or 33 years of service. Okay? So understanding these survivor benefits is going to be crucial to make sure that your family is protected. If you've got other questions about FRS benefits and retirement, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos.